everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how you can link your slides together in Microsoft PowerPoint. I have a presentation here where I want to link the slides to allow user interaction, and on my first slide I have an icon that I've created in Photopea, and I would like to link that icon when clicked to slide number 2. So how I do that is I click on it, right click, and I go to link. Now there's lots of things you can do. You can add a web address in there, so you can copy and paste a web address in there and it would take you to a website. But as I say, I want this to link to another page within another slide within this presentation. So I'm going to go here where it says place in this document. And when you click on that, you'll be able to see all of the slides in your presentation. And I said before that I wanted to link it to slide number 2. So I click on that and I press OK. When I get to slide number 2, I've got another icon there that I would like to take me back to the home page, and then another icon that I want to take me forward to slide number 3 when clicked. So I'm going to have add a link to that one. So I'm going to right click on that one and go to link. And again, it should automatically default now to a place in this document. And I said I wanted that to go back to slide number 1. So I click OK. And then I click on that one there. I wanted that one to go to the next slide, so I go to link, place in this document, and I want that to go to slide number 3. Press OK. Alright, we get to slide number 3. This time I've got an icon that takes me back to slide number 2 and an icon that takes me back to slide number 1, the home slide. So I'm going to click on the home one, right click, link, place in this document, number 1, press OK. Get onto that icon there, right click, link, and that one's going to go back a slide, back to slide number 2, and press OK. So all 3 of my first 3 slides are now linked, but I'm just going to show you what that looks like before we finish. To activate these links, you click on slideshow, current slide, and I'm going to click on that button there. There we go, it takes me to my questions, go back to the home, click on that button there, go forward, back to home. You don't need to make a fancy icon using Photopea. You can create an icon or a button in PowerPoint, and you do that by making sure that you are on the Insert tab, go to Shapes, and you can choose, there's a whole bunch of shapes there, but a nice rectangle will do to make a nice rectangular button. You can, once you've drawn it, this toolbar appears and you can then fill it in with different colours. There's lots of things you can use there. There's a gradient tool, there's a texture tool. Try and keep it nice and simple though, so that your users don't get confused. You can then right click on it and go to edit text, and you can add text to your button, and you can change the colour and the font and the size of that text. So let me just go to here. I'm going to make the font colour a bit dark so it contrasts with it. And there's other things that you can do. So for example, on the insert button there are icons, so just wait whilst they load. Loads of good stuff in here. So for example, interface will allow you to have things like forward and back buttons, home buttons, all sorts of good stuff. Have a little look through, but once you're happy that you've got your button or your icon ready, like before, you simply right click on it, go to link, make sure you're on place in this document again, and take it to the place where you want it to go. Have fun!